43rd Street, Manhattan, New York. You stinker.
Chip here, over there, Cookie Crisp cereal, but not for long. They look like chocolate chip cookies, taste like them too, but it's a breakfast cereal. Yes, I'm coming for delicious.
Attention all residents of Vion City. This broadcast is to notify that there's a group outside holding guns and attacking people. Lock your doors, turn off all the lights, close the windows and curtains, hide in your basement and bring a portable radio, and stay there until further notice. If you do not have a basement, then hide in your bathtub or closet, and stay quiet as possible. Please be safe. As long as you don't panic, everything will be safe.
New Fashion Fever. Introducing the latest Fashion Fever collection.
I don't have that one. Where'd you get that? That one's new too.
What style is your style?
Her micro mini is so me.
Barbie Fashion Fever dolls. You can collect them all, each sold separately. Barbie today.
So we're in line. Okay, we're last in line for tickets to the concert. And Tony says, at least I had Reese's for breakfast.
Did Reese's Puff cereal.
So I try some, and it tastes like a Reese's peanut butter cup. Which brings us to this awesome place, the B.I. Peanut Butter and Chocolatey section.
Reese's Puffs, part of this good breakfast with 12 key vitamins and minerals.
Move up! What?
Hey, this
Attention everyone, it is now safe to come out of your hiding places. The EAS alert that y'all heard was a false alarm. There is no group outside holding guns and attacking people. Someone allegedly hacked into the control panel and made a fake EAS alert. And you can watch the news for more information of what just happened. And we are sorry for the inconvenience.
Riley, you see what you did now? Now we have to pay a fine of $100,000 because you traumatized so much people and were sent to several hospitals.
That's it. You are grounded for 579833193939579585957958597 years.
Turn off your TV
right now, and don't come out until your grounding time is over. Wow.